Really quick. If you have capacitors in a circuit, they are drawn like these. Two parallel lines is a capacitor, yeah? You guys know that? Okay. For a resistor, you know that if you have a resistor, two resistors in series, you just add up the resistances, right? R plus 1, R plus 2, da, 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 da. And that's going to be your equivalent resistance. So that's as if you had one resistor in the circuit. If the resistors are in parallel, you have to do the inverse thing. You guys know that, yeah?
Yeah.
With capacitors, it's the opposite. If the capacitors are in series, we're doing the inverse thing. That makes sense if you think about it. If I put a bunch of capacitors in series, you're not really adding up the capacitance because I store it up here, and then there's less charge to go to this one and less charge to go to that one. And it's not so, it doesn't just add up. But if I go in parallel, well, that's really like just making a bigger plate, right? I'm just adding more surface for that charge to build up on. And so these two I can just add together. So it's the opposite of resistance. Parallel capacitors, you just add together. Series capacitors, you have to do the inverse thing. Make sense? That's weird.